Hi, I'm Trey Gillen from Houston, Texas, and I'm here to tell you why I love my Valera blow dryer. When looking for a blow dryer, I always make sure there's some type of ionic technology built in. Valera's Ionic Care emits ions which reduce frizz and produces a perfect smooth blowout. Ionic Care also reduces blow drying time for a faster, quicker result. Valera blow dryers are lightweight and powerful. The AC motors produce strong airflow, but I find the heat is less aggressive, which for my color clients, it really protects their color from fading. My favorite feature is the roto cord, which is unique to Valera. It keeps the cords from tangling and twisting, which was my biggest pet peeve. I'm Trey Gillen, and Valera blow dryers have all the important features I'm looking for. They protect the hair and make my work the best it can be.